The GDPR is creating the gold standard of data protection laws. What the GDPR requires is that businesses constantly identify the risks that they're creating for their customers and take steps to mitigate those risks. It's not a one-time box-ticking exercise. This is an ongoing commitment to put the customer at the center of business. And it's not too late to get ready for the GDPR. The GDPR is not really about the size of an organization. The GDPR requires businesses to take a risk-based approach to protect personal data. So a very small company could be processing very sensitive personal information. They're going to have to take significant steps to protect it. There could be a large business that is processing small amounts of personal data. Perhaps they only have employee data. They need to protect that. But the law applies equally across all organizations, and the compliance steps are based on the risk that businesses are creating for others, and the requirement is to mitigate those risks. Any business that's worried about compliance, take a look at the fundamental accountability requirements. What that is leadership and tone from the top, commitment to get privacy right through an organization, appoint somebody to be in charge of data protection, and that person will be the flashpoint and the leader within the business. Know where your data is. Understand your relationships with third parties and how data is handled on your behalf. Those 3 steps alone will set you up for success in implementing the GDPR. The single most important impact that the GDPR will have for businesses is the requirement in law to refresh their data protection practices, to take a look again at the security and protection of data, the systems, the networks that contain the data, as well as refreshing the consent and the relationship that they have with their existing customers. Businesses that embrace the GDPR will get the most out of the experience of refreshing their relationship between the consumer and the business model. And businesses that can demonstrate accountable, responsible practices that protect personal data will have the legal and the social license to be able to do innovative things with data. And it's a fundamental expectation of customers, of consumers, and of the regulators to get data protection right in the digital age. The GDPR is an opportunity and not a risk for businesses. I think the businesses that are going to do best in the digital economy are those that have engendered trust of consumers in how their personal data is processed. So data protection, strong security, good privacy will be a competitive advantage for businesses.